Hello guys, Evaris from evasblueprint.com. Welcome to my channel and welcome to AdSense Profit Review. Okay, so today I'm going to be reviewing AdSense Profit. It's a product that is launching already. I think it's launching some few minutes from now. But however, anytime you are willing to get this product, you can have it. Why? Because it's an evergreen product. You always need AdSense in case you want to make money with Google. Okay, so I'll explain to you what the product is all about and stick to the end because I also have some custom bonuses which will accompany you to actually make much more money with AdSense. Okay, so AdSense is simply an information product that will show you and teach you how you can use AdSense to make money. Okay, so remember, before you want to use AdSense, you must have a website. Why? Because what Google does is they actually advertise on your website, and anytime any of your traffic click on any of those adverts inside your website, you actually make some money. Okay, so that's how AdSense functions. So you must have a website before using AdSense. However, even if you don't have a website with this product, you actually have ready-made website. As you can see here, ready-made website. Forget about tedious work. We include a ready-made website for you to get started today. So you actually have a website inside this product that is already ready-made. So you don't need to go and create the website, buy a domain, or do those kind of techy stuffs. All that have been taken away from you. So all you have to do is simply get this product and you have a website, and you follow the instruction they'll be teaching you right inside here, and you will make some money with AdSense. So as I said earlier, I have some bonuses here just to help you with this product. Guys, what I really love about this product is how simple the sales page is. Actually, I'm not a fan of flashy, fancy sales pages that we see every day. Why? Because most of the time, what they are claiming inside those products, they don't actually deliver. Okay, so when I come across a product like this one that I'm decided to promote, it's simply because it's simple. The sales page is simple. Most people will not take a look at this, but once you get inside, you know there's really good content that will help you. Okay, so that's why I decided to promote this and to share it with you guys so you can go out there and make some money with it. Okay, so as I said earlier, it's AdSense. You actually need a website, but even if you don't have a website, there is a website, a ready-made website here for you that you can use once you buy this product. So let's dive into the bonuses I'll put in place for you if you decide to pick this product by via my link. Actually, there's a link down below this video. You click on that link and you purchase this product, you have access to these bonuses. Okay, so the first bonus I have here for you guys is how to write headlines that sell. Remember guys, once you have a website, you actually need to drive traffic to that website, and people go to website from links. They click on a particular article or information before it takes them to a website. So to attract people to actually click on those articles, you need a killer headlines. You need headlines that will prompt someone to click and therefore visit your website. So with this bonus, you have the ability to write killer headlines that will actually force people to click on your articles and go over to your website and check out what you're promoting. So there's the first custom bonus I'll put in place for you. The second custom bonus I'll put in place for AdSense Profit is easy passive paydays. As I always say in my channel, guys, you always need several income sources. Okay, AdSense, getting a website and then applying for the AdSense program and making money with AdSense is one business model. Okay, you can have multiple business models to help you in your daily activities. Okay, guys. So this will also show you another income stream that you can use to make more money for yourself. The third and last custom bonus I'll put in place for you is how to make a squeeze page. Guys, the backbone of any online business is actually an email list, especially us that are inside the internet marketing space. You need an email list. Why? Because AdSense, for example, guys, AdSense is a Google program. Google can decide anytime to shut down AdSense. Okay? Once Google shuts down AdSense, you lose your business completely. So you actually need to be building your email list on a daily basis. Why? Because at the end of the day, that is an asset that you're building that will help you to succeed with your online business or any other business. You need contacts, so you must have a database of the contacts that you can communicate with or expose your product to and hopefully make some money. So every day our quest in this online space is to build an email list. Okay. So with this, you actually learn how to create squeeze pages. Squeeze pages are actually incentive that push that you offer to people, and they actually that you offer to people in exchange for their email address. Okay. You can simply like an example, you can say 5 ways to lose weight. Okay, guys, 5 easy ways to lose weight, for example. And you say you within that squeeze page, you say there is a PDF document that will teach you 5 easy ways to lose weight, for example, guys. And once they put in their email addresses, you give them the PDF and you have their email address. What's good about getting their email address is that you cannot always sell them a product on that same day, but you can keep selling to them over and over and over again. That's the importance of using an email list. So you actually need to learn how to make those squeeze pages so as to grab those email addresses. That's what I put out these three custom bonuses that will help you in this quest. Okay, guys. So, as I said earlier, this is an information product. We don't have to dive inside a software so that I can show you how it works. No, it's just an information product. Once you get inside the members area, you have videos that you just follow through. Okay, so you first have a method overview, and you learn how you can set up your website. You learn how you can generate content. You learn about monetization. You learn how to get traffic. You learn how to do boosting and testing. You'll be setting up permanent campaigns and scaling up the business. So those are the videos you get inside the members AI. It's a simple, straightforward course. You don't need so much time or so much techie stuff right inside. All you have to do is to follow the videos over the shoulder videos that you'll be taught inside the members area, and then go and reproduce and do the same thing and begin to make money with AdSense. Okay, so if you decide to pick this up via my link, there is a link. There's the link down below this video. Just click on that link, and once you purchase this product, you actually have access to all of these custom bonuses which I've put in place for you guys. Okay. Okay, guys, so that will be all about the review for this product, AdSense Profit. So if you decide on wanting to make money using AdSense, you can pick up this product via the link down below. And remember, you don't need a website to actually succeed with this product, because right inside this product, you'll be given a website and then thought the different ways on how you can monetize your website and actually make money with AdSense. So it's a good product, especially for those of you who are beginning or those of you looking to make money online easily without stressing or without going all through the technical things that we go through every day. So, okay, if this is a good product for you, I advise you to pick this up and then try to make some money with it. I also invite you guys to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell notification so that anytime I release this kind of video, you may be the first to get informed. Thank you guys. That will be all about this video. I hope you love it and hope to see you next time.